Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Spotify not working on Realme mobile. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search Spotify app from here and search Spotify. Use Spotify is here. Click on Spotify. If you want to fix this problem, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click on hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Spotify app not working on Realme mobile. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.